liquid one tube to another tube. Middle layer should not disturb. Even don't know. A small amount left, but no impurity should shift to another one. Little more amount you can use to transfer, okay? Oh, stop here, stop here. Job is done.
But there's still liquid on top.
Yeah,
but
if the layer once disturbed, you can't try. Stop it. Little mistake. This liquid is lower liquid, chloroform part. This should not come. Okay, fine. Fine. Can I see? Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Slowly, slowly try. Little more amount. Try.
Now change the tip and
First you press the pipette here, then dip here, leave the pressure, all the pressure and transfer it. Simple. Okay. Take the pipettes, change the dip and do it again. Everyone, change your pipettes, tip. If your job is done. If your job is done, change the pipette tips